Hey guys, welcome back. A new incremental OTA update is rolling out for OnePlus 7 series, which is for the stable channel. If you guys are already running stable version of Oxygen OS 10.3.2, then you should receive an OTA update via system update section. It's a stage rollout, so it might take a day or two to receive it on your device. If you want to immediately update your device, then download links are given in the description below. Download that file and place it inside the internal storage. For OnePlus 7 Pro, the update size is 306 MB, and if your device bootloader is unlocked, make sure to download the complete zip file. After you have placed inside the internal storage, then go to Settings, System Update, tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select Local Upgrade, and you can choose the file. Once the installation process is completed, you can reboot your device. A device has been successfully updated to the stable version of Oxygen OS 10.3.3. Let me show you the software information. Here you can see this is my OnePlus 7 Pro. Oxygen OS version is 10.3.3. Under Android version is 10, and now security patch level is 1st May 2020. After the update, launcher version should be 4.4.6. Camera version has been slightly updated and now which is 3.10.22. And guys, Open Beta 14 is again live for OnePlus 7 series. I'll update the links in the description below. If you want to update your device to Open Beta 14, you can download the files from there. And with this stable version, now we also get live caption feature. I'm not sure this was previously available on 10.3.2 or not. But if you guys are still running Oxygen OS 10.3.2, let me know in the comment section below. Now if we talk about the changelogs of this update, the changelogs are related to system, camera and phone. First one under system, they say OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z can now be integrated with Dolby Atmos for better sound quality. After updating the device to latest stable version of Oxygen OS 10.3.3, I have personally tested OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, and trust me, there are lots of improvements related to bass and volume. After Bullet Wireless Z has been integrated with Dolby, you can clearly make out the difference in bass and sound quality, which has improved a lot. Next, they have done optimizations related to volume adjustment to improve user experience. Later, they have also improved the battery life user experience. Let's see how much improvements we can see with the battery life. I'll update in the comment section below. Then they have improved the system stability and fixed general bugs. Later, the security patch has been updated to May 2020. Next changelog is related to camera, in which they say added lens stain detection. This feature was also added on the previous open betas. I also tried an experiment using Telcom powder on open betas, but I never got any kind of message about the lens cleaning. But it's a quite helpful feature for better image and video quality. And the last changelog is related to phone, in which they say newly added Epic game in GameSpace, and this is only for Indian region. So yes, they have added Epic Games in the GameSpace application, from where you can download games like Fortnite and Battle Breakers. So guys, these are the changelogs of Oxygen OS 10.3.3 for OnePlus 7 series. Now let's take a look at the benchmark results. With Geekbench application, single core scores 757 and multi-core scores 2494. With Antutu benchmark application, device scores 4,48,332. So guys, this was a quick look on Oxygen OS 10.3.3 for OnePlus 7 series. If you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.